Hello traders, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to share a very good and a very profitable scalping strategy that you can use in forex, stocks or any other trading asset. So this strategy is a very good and very profitable strategy. I'm using this strategy from last 1 year, and if you want to take profit from this strategy, you have to listen my instruction very carefully and you have to watch the video very carefully and till the end, because if you skip the steps that I'm going to tell you how to use this strategy, that then you are not going to take any profit, or you might end up using in wrong way with this strategy. So to how to use this strategy and how to take entry and exit in this strategy, you have to watch the video very carefully. So as you know, as you see from here, you can see I am getting a selling and buying. You can see from here I am getting a buy and sell signal from this strategy. So this is a very indicator based strategy, and there is no price action strategy in this particular strategy. Price action is extreme, you know that price action is very important, and you have to learn the very different type of pattern and candles. But in this strategy you do not have to learn those pattern. This is a very simple and effective, but you have to follow the instruction very carefully. So for this strategy, what you need first, I'm going to share you those details. So first, you need a trading view account, and I am sure that most of the trader is trading view account. So I know that most of the trader knows and use this trading view account. So this strategy you can use in trading view account, and if you have a trading view account, then that is very good. And if you have a free account, then you can also use this strategy, because there is no need to purchase a pro version or premium version, because I'm sharing only 3 indicator, and you can use 3 indicator at once in free trading view account. So what are the different indicator that I'm going to use? So first one is, if you check these line, these line, so this is the first indicator, and the name of this indicator is CPR, the central pivot range indicator. I will discuss this indicator detail in another video, but you have to just remember the name, and you can find this indicator from the indicators panel from the trading view account, and you have to implement this CPR indicator. And if you are not able to find this indicator in trading view, then you have to message me in description, in the comment section. I will share the name of those indicators that I'm using. Second one that I'm using is volume heat map, this one. So this one is a heat map indicator. So, and the third one is the most important, and I'm going to share this indicator, or you can say this one, as you can see from here. So these are multiple moving averages. I'm going to share this indicator with you, and you have to watch very carefully. Moving averages, so these are different time frame moving averages that I combined, and how do I take entries. Now I will discuss those part, so you have to listen those part very carefully. Let me just finish clear this out, so you will get a better view how to take entry with this indicator. So first let me just jump into this section at here. As you can see from the indicator, I'm getting a short signal. So what short signal mean? Basically, after, as you can see from here, from this side, after a bullish trend, the moving averages crosses each moving averages. These are different type of moving average. I'm going to write those moving averages. You have to note those moving average. Let me just first write down those moving average. You have to note down those moving average in your notepad, and you can simply watch the video, and after watching the video you can implement those moving average in your trading view account. You have to choose a multiple moving average option, and you have to change the setting of those EMAs. These are EMAs. So first EMA is, first one is 20 period, second one is of 23, third one is of 30, fourth one is of 35, and fifth one is of 41, sixth one is 45, seventh is 50, eighth is 55, and the last one, this one, the yellow one, is of 200 period EMA. So you have to remember, or you have to you can take screenshot of these EMA that I instructed you to implement. You have to take screenshot, or you have to write those EMA in your indicator. So these are, you can see these multiple moving averages are of these period 20, 23, 20, 30, 35, and the longest is 200. So this one, as you can see, let me just zoom in. This one is the shortest period moving average, and this one is the longest period moving averages. So how I'm taking entry by these moving average. Basically this is a crossover strategy, and you must have heard about crossover strategy before. And how to take entries, basically you have to wait for crossover of these moving averages. As you can see that at this point all the moving averages cross over each moving averages, and this indicate a short signal if it cross from the above side. What does mean that in from if we take the example of short entry, when the moving averages of shortest period is below all of the other moving averages, and the longest period is above the all for short period entry. So let me just clear this again, and I will share what I am sharing again so that you get a better idea. Let me just clear this. If I get a better response and you are not able to understand what I am trying to say, I will share a different video in brief and in very detailed view. But in this video I am just sharing this strategy so that you can get an idea. But if I get a very good response from this indicator, then I will share the detail very precisely in another video. So as you can see, how to use this indicator is basically after this short entry I have to take a short position, and you can see from this particular point, if I took a short position I can exit it at any point, at any profitable exit point. So you can see from here that the signal is passed from this short entry. And how do I use the other indicator? Like I told you to use CPR. The CPR is basically is indicator in which indicate the various central point and various support resistance. As you can see from here, this is support. In the next slide I have another. You can see this one is a resistance zone. So CPR is a basically a central point, central pivot range, which consists of pivot, center pivot range, and support and resistance. Those might act as support and resistance for any asset. So if the CPR is narrow, that means our trend is in trending position, or we can say that trend is in volatile zone, and it may may touch support or resistance. As you can see from here, if the CPR is narrow, as you can see, this is narrow CPR, that means there is a little bit of difference in the CPR line. But in the case of next CPR, you can say the CPR is wide. So in narrow CPR, I can say that the market is in trending. As you can see, it directly touch the support level and then bounce back from it to the CPR zone. So this is a trending market. But if the CPR is not narrow, as you can see from here, the market generally move like this and then touch the support and then trend like this. So but if the market is trending, then it is most likely to break the support or resistance very quickly compared to wide CPR. So to use this strategy and so use this indicator in this strategy, you have to focus on CPR. If the CPR is narrow, then this is a very perfect entry for short and long entry. And other thing that you have to use is the volume level. As you can see from here, if the volume on chart is increasing after the generation of signal, as you can see from here, you can hold that signal for a longer period. As you can see, you can get a better result from this strategy. So these are three indicators that you have to combine with each other to get a perfect scalping entry, and it will work very well. And what other things that you have to keep in mind for short entry, you have to take care that you have to make confirm and you have to make sure that the short entry you have to take short entry after the longer period crossover. As you can see, signal generate from here, but you have to wait until this yellow line 200 moving line crossover. So you can take entry from here and you can exit from here, anywhere. Also, as you can see, for longer entry you have to wait the breakout of or crossover of longer period moving average. So you can see from here, you can take entry here like at this position and you can hold it to up to this position. So this is just a brief introduction of this strategy, and I'm going to explain this in detail in each other videos that I will upload in upcoming session. So this is a multiple moving averages strategy. Every beginner can use this strategy, and if you are still confused how to use this strategy, you can comment me. I will definitely reply to every query, or you can just drop a message to my Telegram channel. I will surely reply to every comment. So thank you for now.